Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Amazon Fire HD 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way. I hope I can focus on it. As you can see here, I have something that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector. And to clear it, we need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!